For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play.
Hey mamas, welcome back. Today is, I'm like bugging out. I got scared. Today is Friday, so I'm actually about to get ready to head up out of here. I'm about to go to work. I'm working in Queens today, Queens Center Mall in particular. And yeah, I'm about to go there. So usually, because I know people like, why the fuck would you say where you're working? I normally do not ever not me choking, but this is Zara Red Temptation. Side note, this is Zara Red Temptation. If you have not tried Zara Red Temptation, you're bugging. This is definitely a baccarat too. But anyway, so I never disclose where I work, typically because people are freaking crazy. People are crazy. People will stalk you, all types of weird shit. So I usually don't disclose like where I live, where I work, because of those reasons. But one thing about my job that's cool is I work at so many different locations, so it's no problem with me saying this. I'm at Queens today, but I won't be there another day, so like you'll never see me again unless I just so happen to be there. So yeah, that's that. I'm about to get ready to order a lift. I'm gonna go put my shoes on, we're gonna get in the lift, and I'm probably not gonna touch back in until, camera is so stupid, I'm probably not gonna touch back in until honestly I go to Target. So we're gonna hang out guys in Target because we gotta go into Target see. So I'm gonna see y'all later when we get to Target. We are at Dunkin' today. Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I just went to Dunkin' as you saw, and we're gonna try this cold brew with pumpkin cold cream.
You go here?
It's nasty. No. It's pretty nasty. Anyway, this drink is really nasty, and I definitely don't recommend it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on the day. I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm gonna take y'all along with me on the day, and yeah, we're about to go to work now. Actually, I'm gonna go get something to eat. So if it's not a lot of music playing in Shake Shack, I'm gonna take you guys with me to Shake Shack, and then I'm gonna go to work, and then after work I have to go to Target. And if you guys like didn't hear, it was like some guy just trying to talk to me. Like, why would you like? What you gonna want? When I tell you this shit is so nasty, and I asked the lady because she asked sugar. She's like, oh, it's gonna be sweet. I'm like, cold brews are normally not sweet, but whatever. Alright, so we're gonna be headed in the mall. Let's go. Oh, it's dark. Also, I need to go with H&M. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do all of this. So I'm gonna just take y'all along the way with me. I'm gonna check back in when I get to Shake Shack, because bad people supposed to be looking at me like, what is she doing? So I'll check back in. And Target with it. Yeah, my camera looks weird too. And it's mad. I cannot find anything to wear tomorrow. I'm highly disappointed. That's because all the girls be giving all the good shit on TikTok, and everybody come and buy it up. And you can't find nothing. Ugh. I even want like some nice pants, or like some linen pants. I don't see neither. Yes, they have really cute ones. They have cute stuff. They just don't have my size. It's too big. Look at the little Ulta in Target. They have nude sticks in here. Okay, Ulta. Florence. What the heck is Florence? Oh, that clean line. I'm gonna have to freaking put music over all of this. It's so much music. Too fake. So bad. Truly. You be seeing that like on TikTok and stuff. It's called Truly. I don't know why, but I kind of want to try it. Like, it always intrigues me to try it. What the fuck is a boob polish to firm and tighten? This looks like some shit that's not gonna work. That's what I see. This looks good though. I always see this, the unicorn. This unicorn. I'm dead. No. That's hilarious. Oh, the Kapari. This sounds like more my jam. This body butter I was definitely use. And it has hyaluronic acid. That's good. Target is really my happy place. Like, I could just come in here and catch a whole vibe. Word. Take me on a Target date, because this is clearly what makes me happy. This is the best deodorant ever. Secret Clinical Elite. These are hella good. These are a good Fenty Zoop. Super good. I want to try this, but what does this look like? Like, it kind of bothers me that you can't open it. Oh my god, they got the Charlotte Tilbury Zoop. This, that's really good. It is supposed to be good, but this is hella dark. This ain't gonna work for me.
Yeah, I think I saw something on TikTok that
I know. I wanna get this. I know it's not gonna work. This color is gonna be too dark, but I wanna buy it just to buy it.
I like your camera.
Thank you. They don't even have it in a 6. Wow, I need to see the 6.
I know my shit's not in there. I'm like,
okay, the drugstore is stepping it up. The drugstore is stepping it up. Elf, I see the milk. This is the Milk Power Grip dupe. That's here. The Charlotte Tilbury dupe they got. Even these little beauty blenders is actually really good. Yeah. This is cute. This might be too big though. I want a black one, or like a black, or like something with a print. I don't need scrunchies. I have a bunch of those. I wouldn't like that. That's getting too childish. This is cute. Alright y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all the stuff I got from Target before I get ready to end today's vlog. So as y'all saw, I got some wet ones just to keep in my bag. I always like to keep this to wipe down surfaces with all the germs and everything going on. You always need some wet ones. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. I just ran up the steps. I got me just some like little makeup removal wipes also just to keep in my bag. You just never know. Your face get hot, your face gets sweaty, whatever, you got it. Like I told y'all, the claw hair clips have been really trending. So probably in my next vlog, y'all probably see me style my hair with this, because I know I'm going to definitely style my hair with this for tomorrow. So you'll definitely see it. I showed y'all already. I got me some deodorant, Secret Clinical Lavender scent. I got edge control. I go through this so much. I need to get a really big one. I'll probably go to a beauty supply store and get a bigger version of this, especially because I wear my natural hair a lot and I do like buns and all of that stuff, so I always need edge control. This is my favorite soap. It's peppermint soap. I usually clean my makeup brushes and stuff with this, as well as my body. This one I'll probably use for my body, for my makeup. I don't know, I might use it for my body. I might go back and get the tea tree one. I think I'm gonna go to Target on 34th Street tomorrow to look for those pants that I kept showing you guys. This is the Mielle rice water. This is the moisturizing milk. I really wanted the oil and like the rest of the line, but They didn't have much. I mainly found like this and like just not the stuff I really wanted. So I'm gonna put this in my hair because for the most part my hair has been feeling like really brittle and dry, so hopefully this helps with it and it helps with like all the shedding. And yeah guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera, it's like not focusing. Here we go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. I just wanted to take y'all along with me just to run my little errands at Target. Y'all saw me go to work in the morning and I just went to Target. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to definitely head over and look at all my YouTube shorts. I post so much stuff on YouTube shorts, so I'm definitely on there. And later mamas, I'm gonna see you on the next one.
And if you wonder if I hate you,